Next question, number 9. 5 girls, so the same. Share mean divide. 4 sandwiches equally. So 4 is the whole number. Share mean I will divide by 5 girls. So again, without the need to convert it to multiplication, you have a number which is 4 divided by, so you can express it as a fraction 5. Okay, now is this a whole, is this improper fraction and improper fraction? No. Why? Because the numerator is less than the denominator. So in this case, no need to convert it to a mixed number. I will keep it as it is. Next question, 9 boys. So let's highlight it. Share, I said share means to divide. 5 pizza, share 4 pizza equally. So the answer, the whole number here is 4 divided by the number of students, which is 9. So again, what is the whole number? It's 4 divided by 9. So is it a proper fraction? Yes, it is. So no need to convert it to a mixed number. Okay, let's go to this, the last one here. 4 friends share 10 fruit bars equally. So in here, the whole number is 10 divided by the number of students, which is 4. So it will be 10. So it will be 10 over 4. And that's an improper fraction. So in this case, why? Because 10 is bigger than 4. So let's do what I said before. If you find an improper fraction, for this case, you will repeat the same denominator up until you get the numerator. So what is the denominator? It's 4 repeated up. So it will be 4 plus what will give me 10. 4 plus 6, but still 6 is bigger than 4. It will give me improper fraction. So again, repeat 4 again. Now 4 plus 4 will be 8. 8 plus what will give me 10. 8 plus 2. Okay, now let's summarize this fraction into a mixed number. 4 over 4 will be 1. And 4 over 4 will be 1. So I have here 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 will give me 2. Then what is the last fraction here? 2 over 4. Is it a proper fraction? Yes, it is a proper fraction because lastly 2 is less than 4. So can you simplify this fraction? Yes, you can write it as it is, as 2 over 4, but you can also simplify this fraction. Why? Because you have 2 even numbers up and down. So in this case, you can simplify it by dividing by 2, right? So 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 4 divided by 2 will give me 2. So it will give me lastly 2, and the fraction can be simplified into 1 over 2 or half. Let's go to the next page. Matthew has 8 liters of punch for party. So what is the first number here? Is 8 liters, which is the whole quantity or the whole number. Each glass holds 1/2 liter of punch. So how many glasses can Matthew fill with punch? So what does he want me to find? He wants me to find how many glasses can Matthew fill with punches. So how many glasses or how many parts in all? So we can count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. Or we can easily make the calculation. So the first number is 8. That's the whole number of glasses. The 8 liters of punch for party. So it has 8 liters in all. They divided. Each glass has 1/5 liter. So how many glasses in all? So he has 8 liters. He divided into glasses. Each glass contains 1/5. So how many glasses in all? So in this case, I will convert this the division into multiplication sentence. Let's do it. So how to handle this number? Flip it. So the 1 will go down, and this means I will convert this into a whole number, and the 5 will go up, and the 1 will go down. So no need to write it. Equals. Now I have two whole numbers multiplied by each other. So review with me timetable 5 or timetable 8. 8, 16, then 8, 16, 24, 32, then 40. So the answer will be 40. Next question. 4 friends, so the number of friends would be 4. Share mean divide 3 sheets of construction paper equally. So we have 3 sheets of construction paper. 4 friends will divide it between them. So this means each one will take what fraction? He wants the fraction. So let's write the sentence. 3 divided by 4. So I need the fraction. Okay. There are many ways that you can get it. First, by looking here to the module, he wants the fraction of each student. So the fraction will be of each student. If I take from here fourth, so I have here fourth plus fourth plus fourth. So let's add it. How we add it? Keep denominator and add numerators. What is the denominator? How we add fractions? We have a rule for adding fractions. We keep denominators. What is the denominator? It's the same, 4. Add the numerators only. Numerators will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. So it will be 3/4. Or you just write the sentence as it is. 3 over what is divided by 4. So you can write it like that. Or flip it and convert it into multiplication. So it would be 3 multiplied by, this is 4 over 1. So it will convert it to a fraction. It will be 1 over 4. So it equals 3 times 1. We multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 3 times 1 will be 3, and 4 times 1 will be 4. So all the three methods will give me the same answer, which is 3/4. Okay, Hill and two friends are sharing half. So the share here is half, and the number of friends are 2. Half quart of milk equally. What fraction of a quart of milk does each of the 3 friends get? Oh, sorry, the number of friends is 2 and which will be 3 in all. So what is the whole number that they will share? It's half divided by the number of students. It's 3, not 2. Be careful, this is a bit tricky. Okay, don't say it's 2. Okay, so now convert this sentence into multiplication. It will be half multiplied by, now convert to this number by flipping it. The 1 will be up and the 3 will go down. Now let's multiply fractions. Multiply numerator with numerator. 1 times 1 will be 1. 2 times the 3 denominator with denominator. 2 times 3 will be 6. So the fraction will be 6. Tony and Makila are working on a craft project. Makila has 3 yards of ribbons and Tony has 4 yards. So Makila has 3 and Tony has 4 yards. They cut all. The cut mean here divide. Share and cut, they give the same meaning. All the ribbon into pieces that are, each piece is 4th yard long. So this means I will divide it into 4. But divide what number? How many pieces of ribbon do they have? So they have all together. So this means I will first add the 3 ribbons of Makila and the 4 yards of Tony. It will be 7 divided by, they divide their ribbons into 4th yard. So now what are the number of ribbons? Okay, I will do the opposite of division. I will multiply. So 7 multiplied by, flip this number. So the 4 will be up, the 1 will go down. No need to put the 1. So let's do it. 7 times 4 will be 28. Say timetable 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. So it is 28. And that's it. Hope that you understood all the lesson and found it easy. And thank you for watching. See you again with another test. Bye bye.